Hi guys, it's Bijal here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be reviewing two skincare products which I have been trying and testing for quite some time, and I want to share my opinion with you guys for that product. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. So as you guys must have read from the title, the products that I'm trying out are from the brand The Body Avenue. So this is basically an Indian based skincare brand, and these products were sent to me by them for trying and to give a review about it. But these reviews are my personal reviews. I have been trying out the product for quite some time and I have seen results, so I thought that I should share with you guys. So that's the reason why I'm giving you my review. So the first product that I'm going to talk about today is the Vitamin C Serum by The Body Avenue. So basically this is a face serum, and it is a vitamin C serum with hyaluronic acids, and it says that it's a professional's choice. So it says that it has aqua, vitamin C, glycerin, green tea extracts, basil extracts, ginger oil, and hyaluronic acids. So it has all like really natural ingredients, and as you all know, vitamin C is very good for skin brightening and also for anti-aging, and hyaluronic acid also is a very good agent to keep your skin moisturized and also helps in anti-aging. So I really like the product for the ingredients list, and the claims that this brand makes is that it exfoliates and brightens the skin, locks moisture in the skin, potent antioxidant, removes dead cells, anti-aging, and protects from sun damage. So let's look at the product. This is what the bottle looks like. It comes in a very pretty glass bottle, and this is the packaging. So everything that is mentioned on the box is also written over here, so you need not save the box. Now I have saved it because I wanted to show it to you guys. And it also comes with a dropper. The dropper is also a glass dropper. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see, the consistency is very liquidy. So it's very water-like consistency. That means it's very light on the skin. Like the minute you apply it, it immediately absorbs and it feels very hydrating. Your skin feels really plump. So that's what I have experienced with this product. Now as far as its claim about anti-aging, I don't really know because I haven't used it for that long to say that it has worked as an anti-aging product. But it does brighten up my face, it does plump my face, and also I feel that it moisturizes my face really well. So how I would like to apply it is that I take just a few drops like this on my palm, and I rub it and then just apply it all over my face. Now I have seen a lot of beauty bloggers and YouTubers apply these serums in a way that they use directly the dropper on the face, but I don't really prefer that because I feel that a lot of product is used when you use it that way, and also I feel that when you're using that dropper directly on your face, it touches your skin, there might be some bacteria, and then you put that again into the bottle. So again the product inside the bottle might get contaminated. So I do not prefer doing that, but I just take a little bit of it, rub it to my palms and apply it on my face. And also I love mixing it with my moisturizer or even with your foundation. It gives a very good smooth coverage because of the moisturizing properties of the product. So yeah, that is how I like to use this product, and this is a 30 ml bottle. Now let me tell you about the price. So it is for MRP 1299. I know it may sound expensive, but if you look on Amazon, this is always on sale. Like the products of Body Avenue company are always on sale, so you need to watch out for that. I will be putting all the links in the description box, so you need not worry. Just look in the description box, click the link, and you can directly buy the product. So yeah, that is what I have to say about this. Really like it, and I would recommend it to you to try out. It's not very expensive because you can always get it on discount. So yeah, this was the first product. Now the second product that I want to discuss about this brand is They are Intense Under Eye Cream. So this is what the box looks like, the outer packaging looks like. And again, it's got a good packaging. I feel that the packaging work that they have done is really nice. It does feel a little luxurious. So the claims that they have made for this is that it reduces under eye bags, minimizes fine lines, reduces dark circles, and also minimizes crow's feet. So yeah, this is what the under eye cream looks like. It's basic what any under eye cream would claim. So this is what the bottle looks like. Again, as you see, the packaging is really nice. I like the golden cap and the glass bottle. It gives a good feel, you know, when you're holding the product, you don't feel like you're holding a very cheap product. Again, this is a 30 grams bottle, which will last you a really long time, because again, for eye creams you just need a little bit of amount and that's good to go. You don't need much. So my experience with this cream has been that it gives me a really smooth base, especially when I want to apply my makeup. My under eye skin is very thin and very dry, so I need a good moisturizer under my eyes before I apply makeup. Otherwise my makeup always tends to look cakey and it cracks. So that's the reason why I always look for a good under eye cream, and this really does the job for me. Before this I was using the Face Shop cream. That also is really good. It is in fact my OG product, but I have kept it aside for now because I was trying out this product and this product is growing on me. I really love the product. So when you open it, again you have a lid to secure the product, and this is what the product looks like. It's a very gel based product. It's very lightweight. So when you apply it, this is what it looks like. It's very moisturizing. Again, as you can see, it's moisturized my hand very well. So I really like this product, and see, it absorbs really quickly into the skin. The main thing that I really like about the Body Avenue products is that they absorb really quickly, which really helps me with the process of continuing with the rest of my makeup, because if I have to wait for some time for it to get absorbed, it wastes a lot of time, and I don't really have that much time in the morning when I have to get ready. So yeah, this really is one thing that I really like. So overall for this product, about the claims, I would say that when it talks about reducing dark circles, I haven't really seen that much of a difference in my dark circles, but it does reduce the puffiness around my eyes, and also I have seen my fine lines reducing. It also makes my eyes look very healthy because it moisturizes that area very well. So yeah, I would rate this product as a good product, and I would recommend it for you to try it. So again, let's talk about the ingredient of this product. It has aqua, organic aloe vera, grapeseed extract, rosehip oil extract, jojoba extract, vitamin E. So a lot of good ingredients which I'm really happy about, because I don't want to have sulfates and parabens on my face, and these products don't have that. And also the brand Body Avenue is cruelty free, so I really like that and I appreciate that. And this brand is made in India, so a big shout out for vocal for local. So yeah, I'm really happy about these products. And now this one, again the MRP is $6.99, but again you can get it for discount on Amazon, so I'll put all the links, don't worry about that. And yeah, so these are the two products that I really wanted to talk about. I am really happy with the use, and I wanted to recommend it to you guys as well. So do give it a try and let me know how you feel about it. Share your experiences with me in the comment section below. That's it from my side. Do let me know what other videos you would want me to do next. I'm coming back on YouTube after a really long time, but this time I wanna make more content and I want to keep the channel going. So do let me know in the comment section below what you want to see from me next, and also whether you like this video, you didn't like this video, the products, if you have tried them, not tried them. Do let me know everything in the comment section below. And also don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and do share it with your friends. That's it from my side. Until next time, bye.